In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use we can configure IP routing with embedded switch ports. So in my all the topologies we have done till date, we have used switches with the routers, but the new 8000 series or 1000 series routers contain embedded switch ports, so that we don't need to buy extra switch. The ports are already included in these devices. So in packet tracer, we don't have 8000 series or 1000 series, but we do have some routers, as you can see here, and we can do this lab with a 2911 series router. So first we have to use this 4 Ethernet switch port and attach it to the slot 0 and turn on the router. And this is my WAN router, and I will use one port here to connect to the this router. And we will attach some PCs because I am going to create this VLAN 10 for these PCs, and for the next two PCs I will create VLAN 20. So just click here and attach a straight cable. Mm. Attach a straight cable for these two VLAN 20 PCs. So now configure the VLAN first. Type no. So normally when we create the VLANs, we go to the configuration mode of the switch and type the VLAN command. So you can check if you have the 8000 or 1000 series router. But in this scenario, the VLAN command will not work in configuration mode. Instead, VLAN database command works here. We can create VLAN 10, VLAN 20. After the creation, move the ports. Use this command to see the ports. So move the port with the range command. Interface range FA 0/0/0/1 or -1. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. And then for the other two, move it to VLAN 20. Now, if you remember the IP routing with layer 3 switch SVI video, we have created the two SVIs, switch virtual interface, because we can't give the IP address to these devices because these are layer 2 ports. And the only way to give the IP address is through the virtual interface. Just add IP address. And then for VLAN 20, IP address will be this. Now we will give the IP address to PCs. I will give only IP to one device, and we will check the ping 10.10.2, and subnet mask will be this, and gateway will be 10. So let's check if we can ping. Let's just we have checked the ping is there. It means we can reach our gateway. And now we will give the IP address of VLAN 20 here. check its ping. So it is pinging fine. Now to route over the WAN interface that is connected with the second router, we first need to give the IP address to G0 by 0. This is the IP address. So on this side, I am giving 40.2 IP. Show IP route show that there is one route. So we need to add the route. We will also check that if we can ping the 10.1.10.2 PC. So VLAN to VLAN communication is there, but we can't ping the neighbor router because no route is there. So just add the route here. Because if you can see here, on R1, there is no route to 40.2. We need to add one route here for the two VLANs. IP route 10.1.10.0. Give the subnet mask 10.1.40.1. And similarly for second VLAN. So now static route has been added. So we can ping the device 10.1.10.2 from here. So now we can ping every device. You can check the trace routes. So it is going to 10.40.1 and 40.1 has checked this routing table and find the 10.1.10.2 router that is connected to VLAN 10. So in this way, you can configure the IP routing with embedded switch port. Thanks for watching.